Hey folks, Ray from loveyourrv.com. I'm back here with a update to the review I did on the Clearsource Dual-Stage water filter for the RV. Back in early December, somewhere before Christmas, I got this sent out to me. Disclaimer, it was a freebie for me. I didn't pay for it or anything. So in between time, you can go back and look at the review. I'll leave a link in the description if you didn't see it. In between time, we've spent about 3 months now almost exclusively boondocking, a couple times in an RV park. But I've been using this to fill our fresh water tank. Everywhere I stop, I run it through the dual stage here. And now I'm back to, they say to change the filters every 3 months, so I ordered myself a pair of filters on Amazon. I think it's $29.95 to get the replacement filters, so I have them delivered here to a friend's place that I'm staying at right now. And we're going to take it apart here and give you a look at how the old filters look after 3 months of running water through them. And what I did for the input and output of this thing is I ended up buying some brass quick connects, and that really helped out when I was quickly filling up. You know, I didn't have to screw it on, so they just push on like that. Made it really slick to go on and off. And then folks would say, well, you don't want to get dirt and debris in there, so I already had one of these little bullet sprayers, so I closed off the end of that, and then I can just click it in there so nothing can get in while I'm traveling. And on the other end, I actually put in one that has a little valve as well, so I can shut it off so when I put my hoses away, again, dirt and debris can't get inside my water canisters in there. But that just was a little add-on that worked out really well. As far as the thing coming loose or anything, I had no problems. I tightened these up really tight, and I religiously checked them to see if they were coming loose at all, and they didn't back off at all. And when you think about it, on my truck, it has a big 1-quart oil filter that just is screwed on, and it never comes loose. But I'm still gonna put some sort of maybe a metal door or something, or a screen around there, just to keep people from getting in there and twisting, playing with them, kids, stuff like that. But it worked out really good mounted on the bumper like that. Really like that. So let's get to it. Let's take this thing apart and see what the filters look like. Okay, so here is the 5-micron sediment filter. So it was pure white when I put it in there. Now it's sort of a browny, kind of reddish brown color. Definitely trapping some crap in there. And then this is the carbon filter, 0.5 micron. And it was pure white as well. Now it's kind of quite a gray color. Let's maybe get the new ones out and we'll do a comparison of the colors. This is the new filter replacement kit I got. There we go. It's the 5 micron and 0.5 micron carbon filter. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference in color between those two, and hard to see in the bright, but there's quite a bit of color difference between those two as well. I probably could have got some more life out of these actually. It wasn't like when you're boondocking, you're not using as much water as you would on full hookups, of course, because you're really conserving it. So I might be able to stretch this a few more months than I did, but it's good to know. It looks like it is catching stuff. And as far as the water, we still didn't really drink the water, although I brushed my teeth with it and showered with it, so I definitely got some in my mouth over time. Didn't taste bad or anything. Didn't smell bad. Definitely didn't smell bad. Everything seemed to do well. I was doing dishes. I had no smell at all, and the water looked clean. So overall, I'm happy with it. It's just good to know. It's a little extra precaution for us when we're out there boondocking. Oh, forgot. I have to give the Beagle test. Does it pass the Beagle sniff? Ew. What about this one? Yeah. Oh yeah, those are bad. So there you go. Well, I have to say, so far, thumbs up to the Clearsource product. I'm really happy with it. Like I said in my original review, it's not the cheapest system out there, that's for sure, but definitely high quality components. They also gave me one filter to try out and see how it performs. It's a rust inhibiting filter cartridge. So far I haven't gone anywhere where there's a lot of rust, so if I get somewhere where there's going to be quite a bit of that nasty rust in the water, I'll give it a try and see if it can filter that out as well. But in the meantime, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Thanks for watching, folks. Really appreciate it. Cheers, everyone.